Music. Is Chase Credit Journey the right credit score tool for you? Let's find out. I'm diving deep into its features and benefits. Check the description for links. Chase Credit Journey offers free weekly access to your VantageScore 3.0. Its credit score tracker lets you monitor changes over time, perfect for improving your credit or maintaining financial health. See exactly what impacts your score, credit utilization, payment history, and inquiries. Get clear insights on improving and maintaining a strong score. Chase Credit Journey also provides free credit alerts. Get notified of significant changes, like new accounts or inquiries, helping you spot potential fraud instantly. Best of all? It's completely free. No hidden fees, no credit card required. Anyone can use it, not just Chase customers. It's a simple, reliable way to stay on top of your credit. Want a free, easy-to-use tool for better credit awareness? Chase Credit Journey is a solid choice. Get started today, link in the description.